We in here with my new friend, Jermaine Dupree, in the Slingshot. And the reason why I'm sitting passenger right now is because he doesn't know how to drive stick shift.
Are you sure you can do this? Bro, I turned it on, bro. Did you remember?
All right, so you stopped.
It's slow.
Yeah. Mommy, don't you come around. Don't you come around. Yeah, I pulled up with SnewJ Angel.
That's so guts, man. Hey, yo, what's up? I'm SnewJ, and today we're at the International Motorcycle Show at Long Beach, California. Take a look around. Today I'm here with my boy. Angel. What we doing, bro?
We're here.
He's a home.
Bro, what are you gonna do as like
Angel with the E? Hold on, my shadow's in the way. This might be your chance to get a new bike. Check it out, look at all the bikes. You rode your motorcycle here today, you get free parking. Free parking. There's a lot of guys more than girls.
Yeah, there is.
Can we just trade like one shoe?
The R2s?
This is my first time wearing Yeezys. Oh,
they're fucking hell.
Damn, you got some small ass feet. You got the popo now. I guess it starts now. We got a motorcycle that some of you might like. The Policia. Okay, as you can see, they got a gun right there on the right side. Manufactured by Honda. Check that out. Where's the handcuffs at? I see the handcuffs right here. Boom. All right, here it is. My time to shine. Sorry, sir. How you doing? All right, go ahead, shout out your email.
Email? Nah.
Just in, we got our tags. Boom. Sam, Nawaz. I was Richard once, but they call me Sam now. I work for Ducati. We got Angel in the house, but they really call him
Mitko.
More SnewJ fam in the building. Hey! Hey! We're about to watch this dirt bike stunt show because he suggested it.
Yeah,
you feel about that?
I feel good.
Nigga lookies. That's
That's just good.
Good times. Yeah, hey, for Scott here, we are the team.
This is a warm up, guys. Bro, I didn't even.
Yeah, Jeff Griffin with a huge.
Oh my gosh, man.
Yeah.
Here's the ramp, the world famous ramp. I'm about to climb up it. Hey,
you walk up, I'll walk up.
What's your name anyway? He never told me your name.
Jermaine.
Jermaine Dupree. He's in the Navy.
Jermaine OE. Follow me on IG.
Hey. Me and Jermaine Dupree started a safety hazard. All the kids are up here now. And they think it's a slide. Look. Are you ready for this? This might be the next bike. Not for me.
Oh, it's fucking dope.
Not for you.
For who?
But for somebody else. Damn. I gotta like put my pants up because it's too tight. Okay, so. Can you see me with this bike? Yes or no? Look at it, look at the bike. Now look at me, look at me, look at me. Now look at the bike. Now look at me again. Yes or no? Angel's first time popping his cherry.
I think I already went on one.
Oh! You almost dropped it. Everybody's looking at you. Everybody's looking at you. Everybody's looking at you. Everyone's looking at you. Angel, bro, how do you feel about this next bike we're about to look at?
Sexiest bike I've ever seen.
Oh yeah?
Live.
Like a 78 G's, just the base price. You can definitely buy a Maserati with that, but you know, that's up to you. I'm gonna be 100% real with you right now. The HP4,
bro,
might be the best looking bike I've ever seen in my life.
Sexiest bike I've ever seen.
All state stands. Are you in good hands? Interesting.
Energica.
I think
there
this
we go.
I think
that sounds better.
Yeah.
Energica.
How do you pronounce it?
Energica, with
Okay.
Italian accent.
There you go, guys. Energica, 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 Energica. Oh, it's so. Thank you. All electric, eh?
What's the 0 to 60?
2.5, 0 to 60. Oh my god.
4.6.
What?
Not at all. I'm not prepared for this.
Why not?
The famous one.
She's the famous one.
No, absolutely.
Are you like working this booth?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. That's what's up.
It's a legend.
Oh my god. Give me a hug. How are you doing?
Pretty good.
I'm gonna call you Hollister.
Hollister, alright.
Yeah.
Get in
Girl,
there. Get in there with
yeah. Oh, selfie time.
Oh my god.
Double selfie, triple selfie, triple. This is for my son. You guys didn't know I had a kid, huh? Well, now you do. I have a son, and he's 5 years old. We say this with all the humor in the world, okay? No disrespect to anybody. What did you say? Tell me.
It looks like the group of people around that bike would ride that bike.
Nah, but no disrespect though. No disrespect though. What we're gonna do, me and Angel, we're gonna go test ride the Slingshot again. Well, I'm not, he is. But we're walking through Ducati without even looking, looking at any of the bikes. I know the V4 is on my left, maybe, but I'm not gonna look right now. I'm gonna say that for later. Hey, he's back, and he's ready. So yeah, this is for the thumbnail.
Oh, really?
Who you texting, girl? Alright, there's the Slingshots. Okay, so we in here with my new friend Jermaine Dupree in the Slingshot. I feel bad for Angel because he came too late, but we have to ride this. And the reason why I'm sitting passenger right now is because he doesn't know how to drive stick shift. He knows how to ride a bike. Same thing.
Bro, this shit popping.
We about to do this?
Are you sure you can do this? Bro, I turned it on, bro. Did you
Remember, it's like
park the brakes off.
if we die, yo.
Fuck, bro.
Put it down. Down, like that. He doesn't even know how to put the parking brake down. Holy shit. I'm nervous, dude. Alright, so you stalled it. Hey, slow. You stalled it. A little bit of gas, yeah. Okay,
Go.
oh, you went the wrong way, bro. What you doing? Go. Oh, it's on first gear only.
It's so nerve-wracking, bro.
You got it. Hey, he's learning as we go. Shift to the second gear. Clutch. Yeah, there. Whoa! You got it. You got it. Woo! I'm the best teacher here. Long Beach, California. Hit me up right now. Oh, there we go.
Sit down,
He learned how to drive stick shift. I'm so proud of him. Oh, what's up? Jermaine Dupree, we just met. He's SnewJ fan. Peace. Hey, Long Beach, Inglewood. What's up? How you doing?
It's good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you too, man. What's up? I always like going on the wrong side, you know? That's all. I thought we were just looking at the H2. This is actually the H2R, just no untouched, just right here. Untouched H2R. Let me just sit on it, yeah? Let me just, Get a little, ooh, look at all this carbon fiber, man. It's only official, H2R. $55,000? Thank you for the love, guys. SnewJ Fam in the building. Hey, thank you, man. Hey.
Thank you, Sam.
Give some beer to Angel.
I've been looking for you all day.
For real? No hezzy in the house, man. I'm talking about this one right here. Time for the west side. Hey, imagine cruising down the streets like this, bro. Like, I'll just be like this, like, hey, yeah, what's up, guys? Like, I'll be spitting mad game sitting right here. Okay, Angel, you ready for this? You ready to go to the
what we've been waiting for.
This is what we've been waiting for, right here. As you can see, the Ducati section. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the Ducati V4. Ready? Let's look at it. Damn. Savor this moment. So what do you think about the V4, man?
It's fucking, bro, it's nice, bro.
What do you think? How does it feel? Here it is, man. Dude, you gotta kind of you know, that's how you break it in. You gotta hump it a little bit.
You gotta what?
You gotta Ooh, look at this. Come here. Look at that.
Hold up. What?
Woo.
Hugging those curves?
Look at the aesthetics, man. Honestly, we had to come back and see the HP4. What do you think about that one?
It was on the stand correctly. It didn't fall down.
Yeah,
I like that.
What is your favorite bike of all today?
This by far. It looks a lot more like aggressive and more like detailed more than the V4. I definitely did this.
That's good.
I like it.
They just turned on the bike, as you can see. Look at the lights.
This on a dyno, it's almost gonna be like a straight line going across.
Okay, ready? This is the pose. The best pose of the day. Alright. I think I got it.
Oh my god, I can't do it.
Okay, so we just got out. You good, girl, or what? Oh, yeah? What's your name, girl? If you went to the moto show, I just spit on my arm. If you went to the International Motorcycle Show, what was your favorite bike? Let me know in the comments below. Or if you just watched it through my video, let me know. Yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big like. Subscribe if you're new. Turn notifications on by hitting the bell. Ching! And we out here, man. Long Beach, it's over. Game over. Remember, when you want something in this life, do not ever, angel or hesitate. Don't ever hesitate. Go get what's yours. Life is too short. No hesi. Peace, motherfucker. Peace. Peace. Great. Peace.
I just pulled up on your address. Girl, you always ask me that. Got some money for the night, yeah. New job, had to pull up on you right away. Tell your friends, let's throw a party, girl, don't ask questions.